Hello everyone, my name is Alamgir Hussain. Today I want to make a video about organic chemistry, and thank you so much to my professor Dr. Philomena Califano who teach me about organic chemistry. Because of her today I'm making a video about organic chemistry. So my today's topic is substitution of nucleophile, sn1 and sn2 mechanism. S means substitution, of, N means nucleophile. So SN1, how are you going to be understand that your mechanism is going to be is SN1 mechanism or SN2 mechanism? You will understand. It's very easy. How? If your functional group is secondary and tertiary position, that means your mechanism will be SN1 mechanism. Secondary and tertiary position. SN2, if your functional group position is primary, so secondary and tertiary for SN1 mechanism, and primary is for SN2 mechanism. First you have to understand, for example, if I give you this one, what is the name of this molecule? The IUPAC name is cyclopentanol. Why don't mention that one cyclopentanol? Because in cyclo cases, my functional group OH is always number 1. So that's why, this one is cyclopentanol, and we don't have to mention cyclopentanol. Why cyclopentanol? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon. 5 carbon is pentane and it's cyclo, so that's why cyclopentanol. And OH is alcohol, and IUPAC name is, at the end we have to write nol. Cyclopentanol, it can be cyclohexanol, like that. So then tell me, this OH position is primary, secondary or tertiary? This is obviously secondary. How are you going to be count? Most of the students, what they do, they count also this carbon as a like number 1 also, like 1, 2, 3, they say this is tertiary. No, this is not, because your OH adjacent carbon, this one is connected with how many carbon? This is going to be tell you it is primary, secondary or tertiary position. This OH is directly connected with this carbon. Now you count, this carbon is connected with how many carbon? This carbon is connected with 2 carbon. This is this carbon and this carbon. That's why this is secondary. And secondary we do know SN1 mechanism. If I write in here CH3 in there, right? One methyl group attached. What is the position? Right now is tertiary. How? 1, 2, 3. This carbon is directly connected with 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3. That's why it's tertiary. Now this is tertiary. So you guys understand that how you can figure out this is your position? Let's start the mechanism. sn1 mechanism. sn1 mechanism is 3-step, and sn2 mechanism is only 2-step. So 3-step mechanism. Step number 1. Step number 1 is called. Step number 1 is protonation. Protonation. What is the name of this one? This one name is, IPAC name is 1-methyl cyclopentanol. This is IPAC name. Okay. If it is react with hydrochloric acid, for example, it can be hydrobromic, hydrofluoric, hydrogen iodide, anything it can be. So first step is protonation. Protonation means what? You're going to be grab hydrogen, another name is proton. So what you're going to be do, you're going to be grab the one hydrogen. So these two lone pair, oxygen 2 lone pair is going to be grab this hydrogen. When these two lone pair grab this hydrogen, this bond automatically break down. Breakdown means what? The chlorine accept 2 electron. So look right now what happened, and always remember protonation is fast. These 2 lone pair he donate to the hydrogen, he grab the hydrogen, and this is my 2 lone pair, this is my 2 lone pair, it's remain, we don't use this one. So what happened when oxygen donate, it's become a positively charged. It's very simple in real life. How? Because think in our society, if any people donate, what kind of person they are? They are positive person, because donated people is always positive, and who accept, they are negative, right? If I accept from you, what are you going to be think? I'm a negative person because I'm accepting. You understand? So what's going to be happen? The chlorine accept 2 electron. When chlorine accept 2 electron, chlorine become a negatively charged. And don't forget the dot. Okay, dot is very important. And your charge. Step number 2. Step number 2 is called, this one name is what? This whole thing's name is alkyl oxonium ion. Why ion? Because there is a charge there, so it's alkyl oxonium ion. So second step name is dissociation of alkyl oxonium ion of alkyl oxonium ion. So copy this part only. And I told you earlier that sn1 mechanism is 3-step mechanism. So this is my second step, and you guys know how to copy. Just copy this part, bring in here, and your second step is slow. So what happened? You see in your eyes there is a 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen, what you can form? 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen, you can form a water, H2O. So this is breakdown and form a water. What happened to the plus sign? This plus sign is going to be go to the immediate carbon. Immediate carbon means very closest carbon. This carbon is very closest carbon. So this plus sign is going to be automatically come in here. And form a water. So right now, what is the magic part right now? We have a carbocation, we have a positively charged things, we have a nucleophile. This is my nucleophile. So when you have a nucleophile and you have a carbocation, what's going to be do? Nucleophile is going to be attacked. So your step number 3 is nucleophilic attack. Nucleophilic attack. We find out our carbocation positively charged, plus sign. We also find out our nucleophile. Then what's going to be happen? We have a nucleophile. Always remember, some of the students, they forget how the attack. Oh, I forget to put the motion. This is my motion number 1. This is motion number 2. This is motion number 3. And so most of the time students forget how plus sign attack there or this negatively charged attack in there. It's very simple. I say this is a man. Men always attack to the women. So with men attack to the women. This is again fast. Why? Because you have a strong nucleophile and you have a carbocation. This step is very, very fast. And chlorine in there. So look right now. You start with OH in there, alcohol, then you substitute something. What you substitute? You substitute chlorine. When you substitute a chlorine, this is called substitution of nucleophile. You substitute the nucleophile, chlorine. And this is the mechanism. I think you guys will like my video, and if you guys like it, don't forget to put the like and subscribe my video. Okay? Good luck, study hard. And study hard.